Okay, you are once again welcome to the Kente Weaving Center. Here, as you can see, Kente decorated over this place. This is the occupation here, which of course men do the weaving. And right now, as I'm talking to you right now, Kente is gradually getting to 400 years. Kente is getting to 400 years. And it was brought to this village through our ancestors. There were two brothers, Nemre, Krebu, and Ameyao. They were brothers. And they were hunters as well. So as the hunters, we know them, they normally went for a hunt. And one day, when they went for a hunt, the senior brother, Krebu, saw a spider making a web. So he called his junior brother to come and observe what the spider was doing. So they studied the spider for a while and came back home. And in 3 days' time, they went to the forest again, and they saw the spider has expanded the web. So they thought that if a spider was doing this, how can the human being do the same? So they came back home and arranged something on the ground called, local dialect, as I said to it means ground claw. And that time there wasn't any material in which they will use to weave the kente cloth. So they were using raffia. Raffia always on the riverside. So they were using raffia, and that time it was tiny. It wasn't broad as this one. So and since they were using it on the ground, the cloth became dead. So they form another method, which of course they put the raffia on their toes and bring it to their waist. So the second stage was a waist cloth. And on 19th century is where they developed this loom, and it's through the slave trade. The white ladies who come to Ghana, they remove the yarns in their scalps to weave the kente cloth. They remove their yarns to weave the kente, and that time it was only plain material, that's white material. So the first kente they wove was a plain material cloth which is white. So they named that cloth white hawk. In our local dialect, Akromafufu is a white hawk. And since they developed that method, they thought that they have to go extra mile. So we have a certain tree in the forest. When you back the back of the tree and you cook, when you put the material in, you get some colors. And the colors they get was the primary and then the secondary colors, which is red, green, yellow, black. So they get these colors and wove a kente cloth. And the first kente cloth, colorful kente cloth they designed was this. So as I was telling you, see red in, gold in, black in, green in. So after completion this kente cloth, they presented the kente cloth to the Ashanti king, the king of Ashanti. And he appreciated it and said that, oh, you have done a great job. So I will name this particular cloth after a clan in which I belong to. And here in Ashanti, each and every one belongs to a clan. We have about 7 to 8 clans in which everyone belongs to. And one of them is Oyoko clan, which every Otumfo belongs to. So he named the particular cloth, this particular cloth, after Oyoko clan. So we call this kente cloth Oyoko man. It means Oyoko family until now. So and until now that we have a lot of kente patterns, a lot of kente designs, and a lot of kente cloth. And kente, we have classified them into 3 stages, and to some extent 4 stages. For the first stage, we have a single weave. When we say single weave, it means a plain weave. It is like this one. There is no design in it. It's a plain weave. It's the same as this one. There is no design in it. And the next stage was a double and a single. So like this one. As you can see, this is single, this is double. So we have combined the two together. So double and a single. And we have also double weave throughout. The double weave throughout, you address it just in a address and it's not some money. They have double weave throughout. When you say double weave, It means this is design, but this design is more intricate than this one. So it's designed throughout, so it's double weave throughout. And the last stage was the triple weave. The triple weave, all the designs in it are intricate. So this is the example of the triple weave. And always double and then the triple, double weave and single weave. We have something called border. We call here border, or others used to call it ends. Always the border separated itself from the model. But the single weave, the border and then the model are the same. It is not like the double and then the single. And every Kente cloth has a name and its meaning. And Kente, it was done in narrow strips like this, in geometrical form like this. After then we stitch them together to get a big piece like this. So every Kente cloth was done in narrow strip. After then we stitch them together to get a big piece. So I think that I'll end here for some of you to ask some questions, which of course you don't understand. So anyone who has a question can ask. And after this, if any one of you want to try his or her hands on the loom, we'll let that person do so. So it's question time.
Why only men who are weavers?
Okay, the reason is nowadays we have some ladies who are called do the weaving. But in the olden days, our ancestors put like fears on the ladies that if a lady sit on the loom, you won't give up. The reason was that here in Africa, only women do a household chores. So the men doesn't want the women to do the same job as well. So they just put fears on women that if you sit on the loom, you won't give birth. But that was a true a lie. Nowadays we have a lot of ladies who have tried their hands and have given birth. So the reason was they doesn't want the men and the women do the same job as well. So that's why. No, the material now which we use to weave are cotton, we use rayon, we use silk. So that's the three main threads in which we use to weave the Kente cloth.